Hello again, Year 4. Along with Miss Bowen, we're going to talk through Wednesday's home learning tasks. So in maths, you're going to be looking at decimals again, only we're moving on to hundredths. So in Tuesday's lesson, you were looking at tenths, it's now hundredths. So a hundredth is a whole that has been split into 100 pieces. So if you imagine as a decimal number, it is the second digit after the decimal point. So when we're comparing the size of numbers, it's important to start with the digits with the most value first. So you start with the highest value, and then if obviously they've got the same value in both numbers, you then move on to the next digit along. So when we're comparing decimal numbers, you would obviously look at the tenths first, then moving on to the hundredths if you are going to compare the size of those numbers. Once you've gone through, there's a lesson linked on the home learning grid, to that lesson. So if you click on the link and work through that lesson, and then there is a worksheet to complete as well. And then on to English.
Right, hi Year 4, I've loved seeing all of your work being uploaded so far. In our English lesson today, we're going to be exploring haiku poetry. Now, haiku poetry is traditional in Japan. The haiku poems are often written about nature or the seasons, but they don't have to be. To begin with, I'd like you to explore the 3 different poems that I have attached to the document. And for each poem, I would like you to please annotate with any observations that you have made. So for example, what do you think the poem is about? Following from this, can you then highlight the different features that you can see? So for example, do you notice anything about the structure of the poem? Can you count the number of syllables, so how many beats are in each line? And once doing so, have you spotted a pattern in the number of syllables in each line? Make sure you jot down all of your ideas, because I can't wait to see them all.
Okay, and then on to history in the afternoon. So we're continuing with the Anglo-Saxons, and you're looking at Anglo-Saxon life. So you need to get permission from your adult, because you're going to need to use the internet to carry out some research. So the subheadings you're looking at are homes, diet, art and towns. So you can use those as subheadings and create a little bit of an information text, writing down a little bit of information about each of those. There are 3 links on the home learning grid which you can use, which should have the information you need, but by all means, providing your adult is giving you permission, you can use some other sources as well to find out a little bit more information. And that's all for Wednesday, and we'll speak to you soon.